again. I got some new ones. So first up we have the two new core colours. Now with these you have the added benefit of being able to use them to help your blend. So say for the pink blush, if you are doing a pink and white ombre like Baby Boomers and you just can't quite nail that blend, if you put a slightly wet bead of this over the top of it, it will help like blend the pink to the white. It'll look so much more smoother. So it's definitely a lifesaver for that kind of thing. Otherwise, you can drain out the back of the bead and use it as you would any other core powder for your cuticle beads or extended nail beds. Absolutely stunning pink, really is gorgeous, gorgeous pink. And then the same again with this Naked Attraction. You can use that, see, as like a sheer. So if you're doing a Baby Boomer or ombre that is a nude to white, then you could use this as well as a sheer to help the blend. So definitely like added bonuses to it, and they are absolutely stunning to use as a nail bed cover as well. I have used this specific one in a set already, and I did use it as an extended nail bed, and it really did look really, really nice. And then up onto the new colours. Now some of these are released and on the website. So Amber, this one, is on the website. It is like a brassy copper. Really nice. Like a burnt copper. But of course it's got glitter in it, so, you know, I'm happy. It's glittery. If it sparkles, we're good. Don't forget, if you do like the new core powders, you can get all of them with a massive 40% off for the entire bundle, using the code BF40. BF for Black Friday. And you put that in right at the end, the last screen. Now next up is Rebel Red. This is not released yet, but you must keep a lookout for it when it does drop, because it is absolutely stunning. Perfect for this time of year, of course, coming up to Christmas, but also for Valentine's as well. Red, 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 and lots of red. You can use it to do a glitter trail if you wanted to. You can do full coverage. You could do glitter fades. Anything really, because you've got like a mishmash of like a dust powder in there as well, like a fine glitter, as well as the larger pieces. So it does give really good coverage, but it looks super, super pretty. All the reflections from the glitter. Gorgeous. Awesome Vibes. This isn't on the site either yet. This is amazing. What a sneaky one. Like, look at these little iridescent pieces, little flakes that are in there. And when I put it on, I was like, oh my god, what is this sorcery? Now, if you do follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you're about to see 300 pictures of nails that all have this in there, because I'm making them all have it. And what set did you want? Pink? Well, what I've got is gold. It's Christmas. No pink. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Didn't expect that one at all. Like, I thought it was just like just another gold glitter, really. Till I had a proper look and opened the pot, I was like, whoa, There's some sneakiness going on in this pot. Very, very pretty silver shimmer. This is already on the site. Also today, guys, there is another offer on. You get, I think it's 30% off if you buy both boxes of tips. So we have Almond and we have Tapered Square in so far. We will be getting more. We will be getting the stilettos and such, and nail forms are coming as well. But yeah, for the time being, they're on. I can't remember the code off the top of my head, but I will put everything in the description box. I will link it all and I'll put the codes and everything, so it's all there, so don't worry. And then next up, there's another one that isn't released yet, Pearl. When I opened this, I thought, oh, it's another, like, you know, shimmery white, because I've already got a white shimmery one, but it's like iridescent particles that are in it, whereas with this, it was like the silver shimmer to it. And comparing it to an actual pearl, it's identical in colour. It was like spot on, like just slightly off-white, more of a glazed off-white with the pearl shimmer. Pretty. This stunner as well, Gold Rush, this is on the site. Like a really, really rich, a bit like an Indian gold, a bit, with like the shade of gold there it is. One of my new favourites, Thunder. This is not released yet as well. There's only a couple of them out. Now with all these colours that we have that are currently unreleased, what Emma has decided to do is she's going to release a new colour every single day in December. So keep your eyes peeled because every day there will be something new. Honk Purple. And when I opened this pot, I was like, that don't look purple, that looks blue. Like really, really blue. But it's actually not. It really is a purple. Because when you put it next to blues and purples, it kind of sits. I don't really know how to describe it, really. Ribena. Makes me think of Ribena. It's like a grape purple, kinda. But yeah, definitely a purple. Although I did use it in a blue set last night, and we got away with it. So yeah, there's your brand new ones. Remember, the ones that are on the site already are the two cores, Naked Attraction and Pink Blush, Amber, Gold Rush and Silver Shimmer. The rest are still to be released and there are plenty more coming. So thank you for joining me as always, and I'll see you soon. Bye!